Hello my dear fashion enthusiasts. I am delighted to welcome you today on the Brandibay Fashion Channel for an immersion into the fascinating world of haute couture, with the Tamara Ralph Spring-Summer 2026 runway show, presented during Paris Fashion Week. Make yourselves comfortable, because what you are about to discover is not simply a sequence of outfits, but a true artistic exploration where meticulous attention to detail meets creative audacity. From the very first moments of the video, you will be struck by the visual power emanating from each silhouette. Tamara Ralph, true to her Australian heritage, transcends borders here to offer a vision of international chic that combines Asian traditions with Western modernity. One immediately senses her desire to create a dialogue between two worlds, the rigor of the hourglass lines characteristic of her brand, and the delicacy of ancestral Asian craftsmanship. The central theme, ritual grace, permeates every moment on the runway. Observe closely how the motifs inspired by the Orient are subtly reinterpreted. They do not merely adorn the fabric, they literally structure the collection. The materials then come to life before your eyes. They are transformed through rare artisanal techniques, such as bodices inlaid with shimmering rays that capture the light in an almost hypnotic manner. One can sense here all of Tamara Ralph's material inventiveness as she dares to push the boundaries of traditional craftsmanship. Gradually, the show undergoes a striking transition. The rigid architectural bodices gently give way to airy cuts reminiscent of folded paper. Here, the eye lingers on pale blue creations, where crisp pleats evoke the delicate art of origami. This subtle interplay between structure and lightness lends the silhouettes a refined yet never rigid appearance, a paradox that makes the collection so captivating to behold. As the show progresses, we also discover a more pragmatic facet of the Ralph wardrobe. Skirt suits and coat dresses in pastel shades clearly appeal to a cosmopolitan clientele in search of everyday elegance. I particularly appreciate this versatile approach, where technical innovation never overshadows the desire to dress active and sophisticated women. However, not everything is perfect, and that is also what gives a couture show its charm. Some bold choices may come as a surprise. The accentuated volumes at the hips, created by fan-shaped protrusions, sometimes break the harmony of the fitted lines. But perhaps it is precisely this risk-taking that gives the show its unique character? It is up to you to decide by observing these more avant-garde moments carefully. The end of the show is a true feast for the senses. Enameled textures, golden embroidery. Every detail is designed to enhance movement and offer a unique sensory experience. I cannot help but highlight the excellence of the corsetry work, a field in which Tamara Ralph has always excelled and which remains, in my view, her unmistakable signature. The final touch with the T. Henri glasses adds a welcome sense of freshness and beautifully challenges established codes. What can this collection really offer you? A multitude of inspirations, of course, whether for your personal style or simply to fuel your passion for beauty. It also invites reflection on the very notion of tradition. How can we revisit heritage while resolutely looking toward the future? In conclusion, I would say that Tamara Ralph succeeds here in a bold endeavor, combining technical precision and visual poetry without ever losing sight of the contemporary woman. The strengths, fascinating material innovation and flawless mastery of the corset. The downsides? Some volumetric experiments that are divisive. But isn't that the very magic of haute couture? Now it's your turn to share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for following this passionate narrative on Brandibay Fashion. We'll be back very soon to decipher upcoming trends together. I wish you an excellent viewing experience for the rest of the show. Take care and stay inspired. Goodbye.